I heard you talking. Can you talk some more for us? Hmm? You see the doggy? You see the doggy over there, don't you? Say, come see me, Riley. You want to get the baby a kiss? Hmm? Oh, not the hiccups again. Not those old hiccups again. Let's fix his shirt so we can see your cute little facey. Yeah, we want to see your cute little face. Yeah. Uncle Chippy was very funny. He said the camera adds 5 ounces to you. Yes, he did. Wasn't that funny? Huh? Wasn't that funny? It was, huh? It was. Why you keep turning away from the camera? Are you camera shy? Huh? Oh, goodness. 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 Lots of sneezes. Lots of sneezes. Look at you all spread out. Look at you all spread out. Oh, yeah. You're all spread out, aren't you, girlie? Yes, you are. Are you going to talk to Grammy again? Talk to your Grammy. Talk to your Grammy. You gotta talk to me. Yes, you do. Oh, we got hiccups. Say, I can't talk when I'm hiccuping, Grandma. Yeah, I can't talk when I'm hiccuping.